Welcome to SAR Knowledge Center. In this video, we will see the 10 major festivals of India. Onam is an annual Indian harvest festival celebrated predominantly by the people of Kerala. A major annual event for the people of Kerala. It is the official festival of the state and includes the spectrum of cultural events. According to Hindu legends, Onam is celebrated in Kerala in remembrance of the good governance under the rule of the Daitya king Mahabali, a mythical king who once ruled Kerala. Holika Dahan, rendered Holika Dahanam in Sanskrit or Choti Holi, is a Hindu festival in which a bonfire is lit to celebrate the burning of the demoness Holika. It precedes Holi, the festival of colors. Holi is a popular and significant Hindu festival celebrated as the festival of colors, love and spring. It celebrates the eternal and divine love of the god Radha and Krishna. Eid al-Fitr is the earlier of the two official holidays celebrated within Islam. The religious holiday of Eid al-Fitr is celebrated by Muslims worldwide. Raksha Bandhan, the bond of protection, is a popular and traditionally Hindu annual ceremony that is the central to a festival of the same name celebrated in the Indian subcontinent. On this day, sisters of all ages tie a talisman or amulet called a Rakhi around the right wrist of their brothers. They symbolically protect them. They receive a gift in return and traditionally invest the brothers with a share of the responsibility in their potential care. Chhath is an ancient Hindu festival historically native of the Indian subcontinent, more specifically the Indian states of Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, also called Chhath, Chhath Parv, Chhath Puja, Dala Chhath, etc. Prayers during Chhath Puja are dedicated to the solar deity Surya to show the gratitude and thankfulness for bestowing the bounties of life on earth and to request that certain wishes be granted. Vijayadashmi, also known as Dussehra, is a major Hindu festival celebrated every year at the end of Navratri. It is observed on the 10th day of the month of Ashwin. It marks the end of Ram Leela and marks God Rama's victory over the demon king Ravan. It is also the fight of good over evil. In some places, towering models of Ravan symbolizing evil are burnt with fireworks marking evil's destruction. Ganesh Chaturthi, also known as Vinayak Chaturthi or Ganeshotsav, is a Hindu festival commemorating the birth of Hindu god Ganesha. It is a 10-day festival. Then the idol is carried in a public procession with music and group chanting, then immersed in a nearby body of water such as river or sea called Visarjan on the day of Anant Chaturdashi. In Mumbai alone, around 150,000 statues are immersed annually. Makar Sankranti, also referred to as Uttarayan, Makar or simply Sankranti, is a Hindu observance and a festival, usually falling on the date of January 15th annually. This occasion marks the transition of the sun from the zodiac of Sagittarius to Capricorn. Since the sun has made this transition which coincides with moving from south to north, the festival is dedicated to the solar deity Surya. Til laddus are made to keep the body warm. Diwali is the Hindu festival of lights. Diwali is celebrated during the Hindu lunisolar month of Ashwin and Kartik. In Hinduism, it generally lasts 5 or 6 days. It symbolizes the spiritual victory of light over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance. People light diyas to express their happiness by welcoming Lord Rama and Sita in their kingdom Ayodhya after 14 years of Vanvas. Durga Puja is conducted. Lohri is a popular winter Punjabi folk festival celebrated primarily in the northern India. The significance and legends about the Lohri festival are many, and these link the festival to the Punjabi region. It is believed by many that the festival marks the passing of the winter solstice. Lohri marks the end of winter and is a traditional welcome of longer days and the sun's journey to the northern hemisphere by the people in the northern region of the Indian subcontinent. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.